Yes. Students, I told you already what happened in the Indian philosophy regarding the atom and what happened in the Greek philosophy regarding the atom. Let us compare their studies, what they exactly wanted to say. A Hindu philosopher, Kanad, was saying a smallest part of the matter is Anu. Time being, we will consider it as what? The atom. What is said about the shape? He has not said anything about the shape. Perhaps he wanted to say atom is spherical in nature. While Greek philosophers have said the atoms are with various dimensions. It can be with pointer, or they can be with the ball and the solder kind of the model, or as like the one hook can attach to the other hook. Likewise, the arrangement may possible. Means what was their imagination? A iron atom can hook to the iron atom, therefore they are very close. Or a ball and the solder kind of model by which they can come very closer. It was the dimension point of view, their concept. And what was the concept of the Kanad? It's the smallest part of the one species, means say the iron, and smallest part of the other species, say water, will be different, because Kanad was strictly saying properties of the matter depends upon the smallest part. While Greek philosophers, what were they saying? There is the smallest part is a universal. But only dimension, attachment, arrangement of that smallest part changes, and therefore matter changes. Means what our Indian philosophers saying? A smallest part changes, property changes. It is a qualitative as well as quantitative. And what Greek philosophers were saying? Shape changes, dimension changes, property changes. Means this approach was quantitative. So in shortly, if I have to say, Kanad's approach was both qualitative as well as quantitative, and here approach was only quantitative. But what is the problem? Let Indian philosophers say or Greek philosophers say, it was philosophy, never a Kanad or Lucifer's or Democritus or Epicurus attempted to prove their concept on empirical basis. So it was a need of the time to validate their concept. And in order to validate the concept at that time, peoples were working, they were doing so-called their experiments, and those peoples are called alchemists. So what are those alchemists? What were they doing? How far they achieved the understanding of the atom? That we will study in the next part.